water over there. Yeah. We did it. We did it. I need to walk around for about 0.404 because then it'll be 13. Oh, I've been recording. Ooh. 8:21. We're going to try to get out here in the next hour so we can make sure we have plenty of time to see the Washington Monument. It's a beautiful day. I slept wonderfully. I had about 9.5 hours sleep. I don't know how I did that. That's a first out here. It was beautiful. Anyway, I'm going to make some biscuits and gravy, I think is what we have for this morning. And then we're going to get the show on the road. All right, it's 9:25 and we are getting ready to hit the road. We've all eaten and done our business, and it was a great night. So onward ho to see the old Washington Monument. Okay, it's 9:31. We're starting up the Blue Blaze. Somebody lost their soul. All right, that's where we were last night. Today, Friday, May 29th. We're walking. Someone carved the AT sign right there. Nifty. Okay, there's another pretty AT thing someone did. AT cut out. All right, we've got a mile. And I must say, thank you, trail maintainers of Maryland, whoever you are. I have a little snack. Those pea pods. What do they call them?
I do not remember.
Oh, yeah. Protein pea pods or whatever. I think these were like cheddar cheese. Lots of protein. Very light.
Yep.
I have some electrolytes and go again. I probably should doctor my heel. There are so many of these. Well, it had a great trail the first couple miles, the first mile, I should say. And now we got a lot of rocks, which slows Kathy down. Oh, and yet another one. That was a cool one. All right, we're going up. No, they do it all over. I've got all kinds of pictures of those. And yet another one. Woohoo! Somebody had some fun when they were clearing the trail. Well, we aren't looking at it at all.
Okay.
At all.
Okay.
All right, that's a really cool thing. All right, just had a great chat with a guy and his dog Bailey. He took our picture right there, and now we're off to see all the history in them there hills.
Yep.
And there's another one. Okay, so we have a reprieve from the rocks again, momentarily, I'm sure. Whoo, boy. All right, we can hear this electricity going through these wires up here. Kind of weird. All right. Ready. If I was a rattlesnake. All right, we're coming out into something here.
All right, so this is the battle. It took place here in Maryland, 1862. And
Alrighty.
Tired, but he's still working.
All right, these wonderful people just did trail magic. Lift and who?
spam.
Spam. How could I forget? And what's your trail name?
Sunshine.
A Sunshine. We met a Sunshine one year.
He was named ironically. How about
Yes. Because he was not a Sunny. And what you got? Do you have a trail name too?
No.
Aww. Nope. So when we get to down here, I have to do that. I can hike a lot.
Washington Monument or the bathroom? Bathroom.
All right, we're off. It's 2:34. Full bellies. Giant Gatorade. That was good. All right, we just stopped there and used the bathroom. It was nice. They had soap. Woohoo! Oh, look. That's cool. It says north and south. And then on this side, they got one of those signs again. Very cool. Oh. Okay. I got this.
Alrighty, we just came out. Some
What's
track
that?
magic, and we had some.
What?
Stopped at the restroom and saw the historical site with Jesse Reno and Sam Garland, McClellan, all those guys. Battle in 1862, the Maryland battle. Yep, there was even a shower back there, actually. Anyway, got about 5.5 to the shelter. Probably getting in a little later tonight, about 6:30 or 7 maybe. Anyway, but it's supposed to be another beautiful night.
That's an old church. Fire danger low.
All right, headed towards Pine Knob Shelter. There's an old church over here. Got barbell up front, Sunshine, whom we just met, a half pint.
Yeah, that was a hill. Yes, yes it was. Okay, we are walking through an Everglade. Evergreen forest right now. Lots of pine needles. It sure does feel good on the feet after all those doggone rocks today. Oh boy. We're at about 8.5 miles for the day. Been going for 6 hours plus. But we stopped for lunch. We stopped for a big snack. And not too far should be the original Washington Monument. So here we go. Woo-hoo! I know. Stick my head in it.
What?
Oh, here it is. Huh? Oh boy.
Happening, I was like,
A little place to rest your weary bones.
Hi, how are you?
Very good.
Okay, here we go. Barbell just said it was worth it. You can? Awesome.
This is the original, or the view from the original Washington Monument. This is the original Washington Monument. Beautiful day today. And we can go up inside. Let's go check it out. Oh wow, look at that. Huh. Use the railing a little bit here. Whoa. The view is gonna be spectacular. Probably. Oh man, look at that. Yeah. This is like almost a 360.
Oh my gosh. Huh. Coming down? Going up.
Wow, this is cool.
I'm coming up. So
The view is amazing up there.
Oh, I'm so glad we had a good day.
And there's a nice breeze. Oh, it's beautiful up here. Gosh.
It's nice up here.
All right, Here we are at the original Washington Monument.
Going back down the scary steps.
And it is beautiful day. It is a beautiful day. And just a gorgeous view. All right.
Yep.
Sky Bubba.
We're looking at all these beautiful ferns here. Got about 2 miles to the shelter, and right prior to that is some campsites. We're hoping to grab one of those. So, a beautiful, beautiful evening, and we're tuckered out.
Oh yeah.
It'll be about almost a 13-mile day today, so we're a little wore out.
Oh, not good. All right, no more of that.
I'm just saying how these are pretty right here. Yep.
Oh man.
Not sure I'll get up.
I know I wouldn't if I sat down.
Alrighty, we're coming up on our last road crossing for tonight. I think we got about 0.6 to the shelter.
Which way is it?
To the left.
I said it feels like we're being pranked.
Close out.
Can't miss that. Okay. All right, so we're going over the expressway on this footbridge. Kind of cool. Sign says, "Welcome to the Appalachian Trail."
Well, I just met a really sweet couple. They're going up to camp. But they were gonna go see the rocks up Annapolis rocks, I guess, first. But I'm by myself right now. Oh, should be about there, just on the Blue Blaze.
You got it, Butler. All right, this is our spot for the night.
We got one neighbor over here. Hiking is such a mind game. I mean, it is such a mind game. Like I really want to do this through hike next year. March 7th, I want to leave. I really want to try to do it. I've been telling people I want to do it because if I don't, then I won't probably. And then you start hiking and you're really tired after about 12 miles today. I'm like, what am I thinking? I'm not going to be able to do this. But then you get here and you eat and you start feeling a little bit better and you're like, I could do this. But then you start thinking, well, why would I do this? What's the point? I'll miss 6 months of my family's life. I could really get hurt. Like, what is the point? So that's what I'm pondering these days.